Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a review on the episode talked about magic shaving powder. I saw this all over TikTok. I saw everybody raving about it and I just had to try it. So I went to Pennywise and I picked it up. I picked up two, but the one that I'm using today is the aloe and vitamin E one. This is my bowl I was mixing before to do a spot test to see if my skin got irritated, but it didn't, so yay. What I have here now is I have 2 spoonfuls, very big spoonfuls. I mixed mine until it was not very runny. It had like it was thick, but it was not too runny. So this is the first leg that I'm doing. This is the full leg. As you can see, I did this for both the front and back of my legs. Make sure when you're putting this, you put a towel beneath you because it does drop, so you don't want to spill too much on your bathroom floor. That is exactly what I did. I just placed a towel beneath me because yes, it was like dripping all over and I was not able at all. So this is my both legs, my full legs from top to bottom. Again, the same thing I did with the front, I did with the back. I pasted all over and I left it for approximately 10 minutes because I do have thick hair. Now for the reveal. Oh my goodness guys, I'm not kidding. When I saw how smoothly that came off, I was shocked to say the least. I instantly thought about just throwing away all my shavers because this is just amazing. This is the final finish. I cannot believe it worked so great. I would definitely, this is like a 10 out of 10 recommend. You guys need to go get this at Pennywise right now. I know a lot of people was talking about the scent. Personally, the scent for me was not too overbearing, but someone told me that this particular one, the aloe one, it doesn't smell too bad, but the other one, with the blue labeled one, she said it smells horrible, but the one, this aloe one, does not, it's not really an overbearing smell, I would say, but it does have a scent. What I did after is I just rubbed some coconut oil because I love to put coconut oil on my skin, like love to put coconut oil on my skin. So I rubbed some coconut oil on both of my feet, and you guys, this girl is not shaving again. 10 out of 10 recommend. You guys need to go down to Pennywise. I bought this at Pennywise in Grand Bazaar, but I'm sure any Pennywise would sell it. So you guys need to go down to Pennywise and get yourself these because it's amazing. Really, it's really amazing. So thank you for watching. I really do hope you enjoy. Remember to like and subscribe if you like what you see, and I want to wish everyone a blessed day. Bye bye. Love you.